Okay, let's talk about this tool here, transform. If you open it, we have 4 tools here. Flip, you can see. Sorry. Select it again. Flip horizontally. Again. Flip vertically. You can rotate counterclockwise at any time that you want, or clockwise. That you can rotate with this, with holding shift. You can moving step by step. Or if you need, you can come here and type any number to rotate. Oh, based on center of that. Okay. Negative or positive number that you want, you can type any number. Or you can make it 0 again. That's it.